what would prompt you or ay nga, what would prompt you to finally attend the committee hearings? Kasi parang as mentioned nga earlier, I mean, the panel was clearly looking for you and the other officers from your office na mag-appear doon po sa committee hearings. I mean, what would prompt you? Ano yung parang magiging final straw nyo for you to finally attend and to somehow respond to the questions being raised during the previous hearings? May parang certain move ba na dapat gawin yung house bago kayo umattend po mismo? Or anything that could prompt you to finally go there?
I think the most that they can do is kung ano yung ginagawa nila sa amin ngayon, diba? Dinedetain nila yung mga OVP personnel. So, yan na lang, kanina may meeting kami ng House Sergeant of Arms. Pinapaalis niya ako dito. And then sinasabihan niya ako, oh, because we have to put extra security because the Vice President is here. And then I told them, sir, I am not your security problem. Kasi meron namang akong sariling security. Bayad din naman yan sila ng gobyerno para bantayan ako. So let them be na magbantay sa akin. So you don't need to worry about my security. At sabi ko sa kanya na sabi niya, hindi, kasi baka may mangyari sa'yo dito sa loob. Sabi ko, sir, isa lang naman ang gusto pumatay sa akin, si Martin Romualdez. And I don't think gagawin niya yan dito sa loob ng House of Representatives. Gagawin niya yan doon sa labas. So siguro, harm to the safety and security of OVP personnel. Yan lang ang maisip ko ngayon, top of mind answer.
Okay. Siguro ma'am, last follow-up na lang. You said na si Martin Romualdez lang ang may gustong pumatay sa inyo. What made you say that?
Oh, because I know him, diba?
Mm-hmm.
From the short time na nagkasama kami. I'm a good judge of character. Mabilis ako maka-assess ng isang tao.
Okay po.
Nagkasama kami sa kampanya. And I'm no psychologist, pero that man has so much baggage and insecurities sa buhay niya.
Okay. Yun nga ma'am, thank you.
Okay, okay, thank you, Dempsey. Next question, Kat Domingo, ABS-CBN. Kat, are you there?
Good evening, Vice President. Ma'am, during your first few press conferences with us, you mentioned that merong triumvirate or triangle power, something like that. And you mentioned na sa susunod na press conference nyo na babanggitin, particularly some details about the House Speaker and the First Lady. May we finally know ano po to, ma'am?
Sit in na lang. Sit in.
Well, yes, dinidiscuss namin yan kagabi, no? Diniscuss din namin yan kagabi. And kasi, mame-mention ko yung pangalan ng First Lady doon sa mga sinasabi sa hearing. And, alam mo yon, ang gusto lang naman namin kasi lahat sa Office of the Vice President ngayon, magtrabaho. In fact, kung makita niyo doon sa loob, if you're allowed to visit Yusek Lopez, isang buong malaking plastic box ng documents ng trabaho ang ginagawa niya. Ganun din ang gusto ko, that I be allowed to attend my events and go around to talk to the people. Yun lang ang gusto namin. Kaya sinasabi ko, kung pwede sana sagutin ko yung mga tanong doon about sa committee hearings sa ibang araw, because I'm waiting for them to push it and to push it para makasagot ako. Sa ngayon kasi kulang pa eh. Para sa akin kulang pa. So I'm waiting for them to push it and to push it and to push it para ako magsalita. hindi ako nagsasalita ngayon kasi ang gusto ko nga, ituloy na lang nila yung hearing nila at tapusin nila kung kailan nila tapusin para makabalik na kami sa
Ma'am, may we at least know kung anong issue po yung yung kinakasangkutan nila allegedly? Is it a corruption issue? Is it just a matter of politicking?
it's about envelopes na sinasabi.
Sorry, ma'am, envelopes?
Envelopes.
The one with the money, ma'am, does it mean that it may have originated from the House Speaker and the First Lady po?
Ayoko na I'm waiting for them. I'm waiting for them na umabot sila doon. Ngayon kasi tinigilan nila yung envelopes eh. Hindi ko alam kung naririnig nila yung mga discussions namin. Nakikinig sila sa mga discussions namin. Tinigilan nila eh. So I'm waiting for them to push. Inaantay ko kung ano yung mga sasabihin nila para one time na lang yung sagot.